This is your new phonic language series, means the book of PLS. Now open the page number 33. Children, we have already done this page on board. So you will do this page at home. And children, you will also do the page number 31 and the page number 32. Children, on the page number 31, you will write the same word which is already written here. So you will write on these two lines. And children, on the page number 32, you will read and match the words to the pictures. In the first, you will read the word like bed, bed. And where is the bed? Yes, here is a bed. So you will match the word bed to the picture of bed. I hope children you will understand that how can we do these pages. So you will do all 3 pages at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.